Welcome back everybody to the Tech Team. Okay, so in today's video we are going to add something in our classes and objects tutorial in the intermediate series. So wait, what I did here. Okay, so yeah, that was a really nice start for this video, am I right? Okay, so what we have already done is that we have this class dog that has the name and the age, self.name, name, age, and def dog. So we get right here, hey Dennis, you are 13. What? Hey Dennis, you are 13 years old. What am I doing? Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to talk about how we can change those values by creating another function. So let's first of all create this function. Let's call it change name. So def change name and self the name. So right now we are getting the name right here. So self dot name is equal to name. So we just got this thing right here. Okay, so right now what we can say, this is a little bit, just a little bit trickier. So we are going to say that Dennis, then we are going to put a dot here. So this is we're creating this object. So Dennis dot change name, and we are going to put the new name that we want. For example, let's say, wait, let's say John. Right, so if I now run the program, you can see that we get, hey John, you are 13 years old. So you know, you can do lots of things with that. So for example, let's create another function. So define, let's now change the age, and let's do the same thing right here. Dennis dot change age is equal to, let's say 10. So let's first of all run the program once more. So hey John, you are 10 years old. That's really cool. So what we have done here, so let's take the name. Right now we have the change name that takes the name, and okay, you know the name, and here we have Dennis. So we got the parameter of the name. Right now change the name, and we change the name to be John. It's like the same thing that we did right here, but we're not calling the init function, we are just calling this change name function. And we did the same thing for the name. So yeah, that's something really cool to know about classes and objects. And stay tuned, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.